So हुआ यूँ कि I was dating Anmol and we happened to be in Delhi. I was shooting for Jolly LLB at that time. और मैं दिल्ली में थी कुछ किसी इवेंट के लिए थी एंड आई early morning I got a message from Adi sir saying that I want to meet you, I want to have a meeting, so let me know when. So I told him मैं दिल्ली में हूँ आके मिलती हूँ and all that. Now this was not the first time Adi ji had like called me. I had met him twice before, but the films were like Neil and Nikki या फिर बचना है हसीनों. Those films I didn't relate myself to those characters. तो मुझे वो बहुत ही, it's not a great thing to say no to someone, you know, it's very difficult to say no to someone. बहुत ही politely, respectfully मुझे वो फिल्में decline करनी पड़ी. This time when he messaged me, I was like, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ अच्छा होगा, you know, the kind of films that I want to do, ये कुछ ऐसा offer होगा. So I remember I went to the Yashraj studio. Anmol drove me to the Yashraj studio for that meeting. And Adi sir was sitting in his huge palace kind of an office room. And the first question he asked me was that, Amrita, I've met you before, twice before, and I've offered you films. And that time you had certain reservations that were sacred to you. Do you still have those reservations? So I said, Sir, what is the role? So he said, I'm not calling you for just a role. I want to sign you as an in house Yashraj artist because I see that you have a lot of potential and I'm building like a bank of good actors and I want you to be a Yashraj artist. तो वो मेरे लिए इतना बड़ा मौका था, okay? But what I liked about Adi sir was he had such clarity of thought. He said, see, I'm not offering you just a role or something that I can narrate to you. All I can tell you is that if you come, you join the Yashraj, you know, we will make sure that, you know, we'll give you the best training, the best whatever, fitness, styling, everything. And you'll be right out there, you know, working in the best of films, the topmost actors. But you have to decide once you surrender in good faith, then you have to surrender, like no questions asked, you know, then you have to be it will be like kissing scene हो सकता है, कुछ भी outfit shot हो सकता है, you questions नहीं पूछ सकते आप, but you have to trust us that we make our heroines look sensuous, not vulgar, not indecent, sensuous and attractive. But I'm very clear that मुझे सूरज जी के लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है, बट मैं सूरज जी के ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्में नहीं बनाता, मैं कॉलेज ऑडियंस के लिए फिल्में बनाता हूँ जो they just want popcorn entertainment, they want to be, they're not judging you. He said, what are you afraid of? Do you like, are you afraid of being judged, like if you do a kissing scene on screen? On I said, no, I don't really care about log kya kahenge, it's about me, you know, like mujhe kya karna hai screen pe. So he said, think about it. Acha, one more. I think I became a fan of him at that moment. He said, itna mat socho, just ask yourself one question. Are you happy? If the answer is yes, maybe I don't need you. But if the answer is नहीं, मुझे you know अभी भी वो भूख है और मुझे दिखाना है स्क्रीन पे और मैं यहाँ पे you know I want to do continue doing films and go with the following generation, then please welcome aboard. So that was a turning point for me when I decided that you know sometimes in life you're just waiting for something कि ये मुझे मिले 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 मिले, and then God says ये लो, and you're like, oh my God, मुझे ये चाहिए ही नहीं था. You know, so that was like such clarity of thought कि इसके बाद अभी मैं लाइफ में खुश हूँ, you know, क्योंकि मुझे जो फिल्में करनी है, if they want an Amrita Rao, they will come to an Amrita Rao because then nobody can fit those shoes, only Amrita Rao can. तो उसके बाद मुझे कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था कि मुझे फिल्में मिल रही है नहीं मिल रही है, मैं कर रही हूँ, और लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग तो कुछ भी कहेंगे, कहते ही रहेंगे. तो या
Respect. A lot of respect. एंड ये ना मैं एज अ प्रोफेशनल भी कह रहा हूँ, एज अ होस्ट भी कह रहा हूँ. जो मैंने कुछ देर पहले कहा कि आप बहुत सॉर्टेड आउट इंडिविजुअल हो. यू ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द हैप्पियर पीपल I've had on the show. Happy, yes, would be the monks and all that, but you're on that second bracket, which is very empty.
I'm feeling so good right now. Huh.
And I think एज के साथ मैंने ये जाना है कि career success is great and all that, and career success often is an outcome of art that's anyway meant to come to you.
Hmm.
But the most important thing in life is peace.
Hmm.
तो peace से happiness निकल के आता है.
Hmm.
You're very peaceful. That's the goal.
Ask my husband about it.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys have a fun dynamic, but like I'm not feeling drained after talking to you in any capacity,
Okay.
you know, and
That's a huge compliment from someone who's interviewed 950 people. हाँ, बाप रे, legend से
Yeah.
बात हो रही हूँ.
Thank you.
हाँ.
But it's I'll tell you where this is coming from. I'm talking to a lot more women on the show now generally,
Okay.
because of my own. I can't believe I'm bringing it into this episode, but I'm doing something called Devi Upasana, which is like meditation and prayer, but more related to like goddesses.
Okay.
So part of that is to submit to feminine energy around you, and they say that when the Devi wants to bless you, she'll bless you through the women you end up meeting and like
Wow.
the situations that arise in your life. You have to just keep respecting it.
Oh.
Yeah. So
Okay.
from this whole episode, I've understood the value of peace because I'm seeing peace in motion through you. You know,
Yeah.
and this is the most important thing in life. Just stick to your art, stick to your peace, and stick to your value system.
Yeah.
I think this will also help a lot of people.
I hope so.
Hmm.
I hope it helps people who come into this industry with that कि मैं कुछ भी करने को ready हूँ. You know, and again, see, industry बुरी नहीं है. Industry को बदनाम मत करो. Make use of it. You have to secure your own self, is what I feel.
Where do you think people lose themselves?
I think they lose themselves when they see opportunities and they feel कि ये मेरे हाथ से निकल जाएगा और उसके बाद मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी और मुझे इसके बाद ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलेगा और इतने लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे मिल रहा है, तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़े. कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ मतलब लाइक wear something that you're not comfortable with, or you know, do something on screen that you're not comfortable doing. तो क्या होता है, you know? So that is like that little sense of desperation, maybe, I don't know.
And one layer deep, desperation comes from a comparison mindset.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Constantly looking at everyone around.
Yes.
But you're here to be an artist. You know?
Yeah.
Just play your own art.
I think you're here to be true to yourself first. You know, artist है, आप पहले हो. Like I had to tell Aditya Chopra, either I give 100% to you or I give 100% to myself. It was like that, you know. So it was a big, and he was so amazing. He said, I completely understand if you don't want to do this. I completely respect you. मुझे explanation भी नहीं देना. Just send me yes, no on SMS and I will understand. That was his badappan, and that was like, for me, Aditya Chopra sir and Suraj ji, like, our gods. Equal respect for them, because clarity है और किसी को फूल करने की मंशा नहीं है कि मैं कर सकते थे ना, मैं आदित्य चोपड़ा हूँ, आई कैन ल्योर यू, यू नो, यू विल बिकम दिस, यू विल बिकम श्रीदेवी. ये सब करने के लिए बहुत कर सकते हैं, बट टू हैव दैट क्लैरिटी, टू हैव दैट ऑनेस्टी towards the other person, of not exploiting someone, is a big thing.
It's maybe why God has given that family so much.
Yeah.
You know, it's family value.
Yeah.
Respect other people.
Of course.